We headed to the gym right now. I just got a gym membership. Yeah, so we about to go to the gym and get a membership. I already paid for it. I just got to get the key file for the building. And I think they got to check the papers. Luckily, the gym ain't far from my house. So right here I went into the wrong parking lot. They got two parking lots for the gym. And I pulled into the one I didn't want to pull into. I wanted to pull into the other one next beside it. But it is what it is. So the audio got messed up for this clip, but basically stopped to get some food, you know what I'm saying, eat real quick. I love Mexican food, you know what I'm saying, it's one of my go-tos, especially this place, Los Cocos. Been around for a while. I graduated with the owner's son, things like that. But yeah, great local business in South Hill. I like it, you know what I'm saying. What's y'all favorite food though? Like, Mexican's not my favorite food, but I can eat it a lot. It's one of the foods I can eat a lot, you know what I'm saying. Like pizza, I eat pizza a lot, you know what I mean. Along with this weight loss journey though, I kind of ain't been able to eat what I really want to eat, you feel me? Like, I'm down 100 pounds since February, and a lot of it's just been like cutting out sugar, all the snacking, you know what I'm saying, just being a little bit more disciplined and life in general, more exercise for sure, squats and stuff like that. Like I said, I got a gym membership today, so we only gonna go up from here with the weight loss and things like that. But yeah, see, I was about to, as you can see, so I said see, as you can see, I'm about to walk in, get me a table, eat, chill out for a little bit. Actually, I was editing a few shorts while I was in there. And another thing, all of this is going on with my Meta Ray bands, man. I love recording with my Meta Ray bands. It's good quality. It's kind of stabilized, you know what I'm saying? You ain't gotta do too much to it. I especially love shooting social media content with these. So a lot of my shorts, even on the bike, it'd be a little windy, but when you put the visor down, they work extremely well still, to be completely honest though. But yeah, man, I didn't even get to think about. So once I finished eating, man, I just kind of, I ain't gonna lie, I was full. You know what I'm saying? Right here, why stall, man? Like, I'm still making simple mistakes, but it's good though. Learn, I stalled, and then I didn't panic, but I took off kind of slow. I was like, shit, one coming though. I made sure one coming. But then, you feel me? We start riding. You feel me? And this is my first time actually going on highway. This is where the school is located at. I'm headed to my old school. I should say that first. Just to use the parking lot to practice. Like they say, you still need to practice. No matter how good you think you is at riding, you need to practice. So I ain't had nothing else to do after I eat. So I was like, hell with it. And this is the first time I'm actually taking on the highway, which is Highway 58. Just merging. The high school is like not even 5 minutes as soon as you merge on the highway, honestly. But yeah, man.
Never switching lanes, rain on the windshield, I still see it plain. Had to lose a little just to feel gain. Now I'm locked in, I can never be the same. Pressure make diamonds, I embrace it. Everybody got opinions, never faced it. I was in the dark, learning patience. Now the light hit me different and I'm gracious. I don't need applause, I just need progress. Every move I make, I gotta hit it with finesse. You know I rep the foe. I need it tatted on my chest. If you open up your eyes, you'll see I'm up next. I'm chasing something they can't see. He gave me vision, that is all I need. Every late night turn into a masterpiece. I'm gon' ball, cause I got that dog in me. I've been chasing something they can't see.
I love these metal glasses, man. For sure. For shit show. Yo. Bro, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. When I first got this bike, I did not think for 1 minute I'll be going even over 10 miles on this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. I was nervous as hell. But guess what? I ain't nervous now. Well, I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous. I ain't nervous. Like, I feel comfortable on here now. I feel comfortable, like, my abilities on the bike is a lot better. Oh, watch that debris. Oh my God. See, shit like that. Shit like that. Big ass pothole. I ain't gonna lie. If I want a fat ass, I might have been gone. Hey, if I want a big boy, that might have would have took me up out of here. I ain't gonna lie. Woo! Scared me. Big boy. It's gonna take a lot to throw me off the well, it ain't gonna take a lot. Let me not get cocky. It ain't gonna take a lot to throw me off, but we gotta watch out for them bumps. I can't wait to put my suspension on, man. Once I get the suspension on, I ain't too worried about a lot of it, but I don't have that yet. Oh, no, I'm lying. I have it. I don't have it on the bike. I have those parts. I haven't put them on the bike. That's the issue. Hey, this is a good time to practice. Slow start. We're coming to a stop. Smooth stop. We're at the school. Damn, is school started back? When the fuck school start back? Oh, shit. Shift it down to 1. All right, let's go, man. Smooth start. Push left to go left. And push right to go motherfucking right. Yeah. Oh. Only thing about this bike is you let up the throttle a little bit, this motherfucker stop almost. He started losing speed immediately. Ain't no in between on this motherfucker. Like, damn. I might better. Is that the engine brake? No, that ain't engine brake. Let me not sound stupid. Somebody tell me though. If you comment like, is that normal? Is that just part of how this bike is? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I have no idea where I'm going. I haven't been on this back road. Oh, I know I'm at. I haven't been down this way in a while. Damn, this road closed anyway. Okay, so I just did some goofy shit just then. You can go ahead. Yeah, I gotta get better on shit like that. I'm glad this road was closed. I was trying to. I don't know where that road straight leads us. I would take it, but we're gonna go back to the roads I know. We're doing a lot of stalling in this video, but I'm okay with it because I'm learning.